Hi, I am Amy from Secretary Solution. We provide virtual secretary service in which we provide basic secretary functions for managers who need help in organizing work and for those managers who doesn't need a full-time secretary. Virtual secretary service is also for managers who want a dependable secretary for advice in any matter. Sometimes they think that they don't need a secretary, but they spend most of their time in a day doing basic admin functions, which is totally a waste of time. Virtual secretary service is another innovative and affordable solution for managers to be tension free and to be focused their time on core duties which could benefit the company and brought further revenue to the company. Thank you.